Hey guys, welcome back to my channel 5-minute product review. This is my video review for 3 best home fitness exercise equipment. So let's start it. The first one is Gazelle Edge Glider Home Fitness Exercise Equipment Machine with the Workout DVD. Tighten and tone every major muscle group in your body with this high-performance exercise glider for improving cardiovascular performance, making it great for all fitness level. Patent dual action split suspension provide a complete range of motion, goes from slow walk to full run with no sudden stop. The low impact workout help with the less stress and strain on your body. Easy to use 5-function workout computer keep track of speed, distance, time and calories burned. The extra wide and non-skid foot platform help with the keeping your feet secure during workout for added stability. The high density for handlebars provide for extra comfort. The glider has a maximum weight capacity of 250 pounds and the durable steel frame is built from 1.5-inch diameter tubing. The glider folds quickly and easily for easy storage and include a workout DVD, exercise manual and nutrient guide. The next one is Sunny Health and Fitness versus Stepper Step Machine, wide non-slip pedal, resistance band and LCD monitor. Keep track of your progress by using the battery provider LCD to cycle throughout time, calories burned, total steps and steps per minute. Get a total body workout when attached the included resistance band to the stepper, which have a weight equivalent of 50 lbs with the stretches performance exercise like crossover and bicep. This stepper weight just under 22 lbs, which make it easy to move and strong in your home or office. Wide body design ensure maximum stability with each step, and the oversized foot pedal have a texture finish that can reduce slippage while on the machine. Experience quiet and powerful step when you are engaged with the high-rural driver system. The machine on the exercise stepper, which supports up to 245 lbs. Included components: stepper, instructional manual. The last one is Sunny Health and Fitness Magnetic Mini Exercise Bike, the digital monitor and 8-level resistance. This under-desk bike is a great way to incorporate lower body movement without putting pressure on a joint. Enjoy a 7-inch stride while you are seated. The belt drive machines and the 3.52 lb flywheel make each stride simple. Measuring 20.5 inches long and 10.5 inches tall, this under-desk elliptical is too easy to store under desk. 8 levels of magnetic tension. Each level make it progressively harder to complete a stride, thus burning more calories. Switch up your exercise when you use this machine on a desk level surface. Engage muscle group in your upper body as you pedal forward with your arm. Use the integrated hand grip to pick up the machine for on-the-go workout. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon.